what's inside my heart. You don't need to know. Take it